Hi, welcome to what's happening here at the top 5 stories. At number 1, the Court of Appeal will on Friday deliver a ruling over the case of Osun State Governor Ademola Adeleke and former Governor Gboyega Oyetola. The battle for the disputed election has been long drawn after the All Progressive Congress filed a petition claiming electoral irregularities on the part of the People's Democratic Party during the election that brought in Adeleke. The Osun State Governorship Petition Tribunal sitting in Osogbo, the state's capital, had earlier nullified the election that produced Adeleke on the ground of overvoting. And number 2, the federal government has said small arms are gradually becoming weapons of mass destruction as they contribute to the escalation of conflict and violence, obstructing the economic and social development of the countries in the region. Boss Mustafa, the secretary to the government of the Federation, disclosed this on Thursday in Abuja at a 2-day multilateral meeting with stakeholders of the Lake Chad Basin region. Speaking on curbing proliferation of small arms and light weapons in the Lake Chad Basin region, the SGF urged stakeholders to prevent arms spread. And number 3, the House of Representatives voted down a bill seeking to legalize the cultivation, sale and use of cannabis, also known as marijuana, for commercial purposes. The criticisms against the proposal forced on the sponsors to demand that it be stepped down for review, a prayer that the lawmakers unanimously granted. Ademola, who presided over the session and had defended the proposal, noted that it must have been opposed due to the word decriminalize in the title of the bill, which he said was not there earlier on Wednesday. And number 4, the British High Court has made an unconventional ruling in a significant human rights case centered on a British national and the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu. In a statement released by Aloy Ejimakor, special counsel to Kanu and IPOB on Thursday, he said though the High Court kicked against his rendition to Nigeria, it however ruled that the Foreign Secretary didn't have to intervene. Kanu had approached the High Court to challenge the government of the United Kingdom for not defending him despite being a citizen of the country against the Nigerian government. At number 5, the Federal High Court in Lagos will on March 30th rule on several applications challenging the suspension of the Chief Executive Officer of Seplat Energy PLC, Roger Brown, from handling the affairs of the company. Justice Chukwuejeku Aneke on Thursday fixed the date after hearing an application seeking to vacate the ex parte order suspending the CEO and another praying that the suit against Brown be struck out. Aggrieved stakeholders had accused Brown of racism, favoring expatriate workers, discrimination against Nigerians and breach of good governance. That's all for now. See you next time on What's Happening.